Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to replace a stylus on a turntable that uses the Denchi CZ680 cartridge. You have two options here: replace the stylus or replace the cartridge. The first option, replacing just a stylus, is the faster and cheaper way to go. All we need to do here is slip out the old one like this. We are using the dual LP stylus that was meant for the Varco variant. You should replace the stylus when it shows signs of wear or degradation, or when you notice changes in the sound quality. The second option, replacing the cartridge, is more time consuming, but we'll walk you right through it. First, you'll want to grab the old cartridge and pop it off. Then use a pair of pliers to gently but firmly pull out each wire from the back of the cartridge. You can also use this guide if your cartridge is the infamous red stylus cartridge that's also common in many cheap turntables of today. Once that's out, grab your new cartridge. You'll need to connect the wires to the new one. However, you want to double check the cartridge to check the pin out, as the wires are also color coded. You want to match which post goes to which post. For reference, the red wire goes to the positive side of the right channel. The green wire goes to the ground side of the right channel. The white wire goes to the positive side of the left channel, and in most cases the blue wire goes to the ground side of the left channel. Sometimes on some older turntables it's also black, and in many newer turntables the ground wires are shared by a single black cable that's just big enough to cover both terminals. However, if you're still not sure which is the correct polarity for the wiring, you'll want to determine the correct orientation by looking at the manual for your turntable or the cartridge. But the color coding, as I mentioned, is typically universal. If the lead's a little loose, like it is on this one, grab your pliers again just to slightly tighten it, then hook it up to the post at the back of the cartridge. Once you get all the wires hooked up, then slide the cartridge back into place. It should just snap back in, as there's a hook in the back that keeps the cartridge in place. Now, if the cartridge itself is faulty, or if you're upgrading, you would replace the entire cartridge like this rather than just the stylus. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.